Alright, hello everyone. Um, so I'm kind of like dealing with a plumbing issue, right? Um, I haven't had hot water in the bathroom for maybe 2 days, but I noticed I've been getting hot water in the kitchen. So what I wanted to do is actually record with my thermal camera the temperature differences of the hot waters running between running between either the kitchen and bathroom. Okay, excuse my mess. So you can see that there's definitely hot water coming from the kitchen. Alright, now what's the reading is 96. Right? Okay. Now we're gonna go into my bathroom. Notice all the different little colorations of so I poured some hot water into the tub that I boiled. I boiled this hot water, right? So you can see it, right? That's a tub with no water over there, right? Then you come here, you see that's the water that I boiled. Right now, about to turn on the hot water. Interesting, this was like this when we moved here. So you see how the C is at the bottom and the H is at the top is actually the reverse. So normally we would move this here and this would give us hot water and we would turn it up if we want cold water. So you see? Wow. This is actually pretty cool to look at. Well, you can see wow, this is actually pretty cool to look at. But yeah, it's kind of sad that. Alright, now, just for camera's sake, I'm going to turn it up to the H. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with the plumbing, but I just wanted to record this, for my own records. And so that I have other witnesses who see in the same video footage that I am showing. It is Thursday, December 28th, 7:56 p.m. Take life one breath, one thought, one step, one day at a time. Peace.